Hey there and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to compare the GoPro Hero 11 and the GoPro Hero 9 as dash cams. We're going to put the same settings in both cameras and we're going to see which one comes out on top, which one has the better looking footage, the Hero 11 or the Hero 9. This is my setup here in the car right now. On the left, we have the GoPro Hero 9 and on the right, we have the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Now they both have the same settings. They're both on the looping, which is a video option you can select and create on your GoPro Hero. If you're not sure how to set up your GoPro as a dash cam, click on the link up in the top right hand corner of an earlier video that I made, which explains how easy it is to set up.
Daytime footage looks pretty impressive on both cameras, but I think the largest sensor on the Hero 11 just shades the Hero 9 for detail. For nighttime driving, there really isn't a lot of difference. In this urban environment, both cameras take great footage. For our last test, we made a couple of slight changes. We changed the video mode from looping to cinematic. We adjusted the EV balance down to -1/2. We also adjusted the white balance to 3200 Kelvin, which is normally the best setting to use when filming at night.
So the GoPro Hero makes a great dash cam option, but is it worth going for the latest model to get awesome footage when you're cruising around in your automobile? Let me know in the comments section down below which camera you think did it best, the Hero 9, which came out in 2020, or last year's Hero 11 Black. I'd love to hear from you. As usual, thanks for your company. I will see you in the next video.